My name is Wesley. I'm a native Portuguese language speaker, and today I'm going to help you to learn Portuguese and speak Portuguese, not beating around the bush using texts, real life examples. So let's go straight to the point. I'm going to read firstly in Portuguese, my language, and also I'm going to read in your language, English below. Portuguese translation, Portuguese translation. Alright? Let's get started. A forma que as pessoas tratam você é um reflexo da forma que elas veem você. The way people treat you is a reflection of the way that they see you. They see you. Elas veem você. Elas veem você. They see you. Let's go on and after we break it down. A forma que você deixa as pessoas tratarem você é um reflexo da forma que você vê a si mesmo. A si mesmo. Yourself. Você, you. Vê, you see. A si mesmo. Yourself. You see yourself. Você vê a si mesmo. The way you let people treat you is a reflection of how you see yourself. But now let's study it line by line. I'm going to help you, my friend. Let's learn Portuguese using a real life example. I got it from a podcast speech, people just talking normally. So let's just understand what they're speaking in Portuguese, the structure, and how they're organizing the words. And at the same time, we practice the pronouns. A forma, we Portuguese speakers, we are always breaking down all the words into syllables. So, a forma. We're always dividing the sounds. Our brain is programmed to recognize the sounds and the words in syllables. If you don't know what is a syllable, it's a syllable. It's also a mathematic, like the notes of a song. BA will always be ba, ba in Portuguese. In all the words, when you say BA, you say ba. So in Portuguese, it works like this. And TA will always be ta in all the words. Like potato in Portuguese is this word. If you know that this syllable is ba and the pronounce of this syllable is ta, you know how to say potato. You say batata, 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 potato, batata, potato, potato. That's why we speak English like this, potato. We don't say potato like you say in one sound. It's difficult for us because our brain is programmed to pronounce everything in syllables. Batata, always splitting the sound. So I'm going to teach you Portuguese like this because if you take the space, if you get this rhythm, you're going to get a lot of how we pronounce, right? So here to say this term, you say a forma, a forma, forma, a forma, the way, the way. As pessoas tratam você. People treat you. Why there is this as here? As means the in English, like the people treat you, the professors. It's very common in Portuguese, in Brazilian and Portuguese culture. It's very unusual for us to say only the subject. We are always indicating the subject with this article. So instead of saying people treat you, we are literally indicating the subject, the people, as pessoas. Tratam você, treat you. As pessoas tratam você. As pessoas, the people, tratam você. Break the sound. Você. Você. Remember? Syllables. And now you link. The two sounds. Você. Você. And then you link it. Você. 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 As pessoas tratam você. And we have this que in the middle. The pronounce is que. We use it all the time, like the. We use it all the time in all the sentences. But you English speakers, you don't say that all the time, but it means that. So when you see this que in the sentences, you can imagine that. the way that people treat you. Or if it makes more sense in your mind, you can visualize this que as how, the way how people treat you, the way how or the way that people treat you. But in English, you don't use all the time those conjunctions and that stuff. So, a forma que as pessoas tratam você, the way people treat you, is a reflection. É um reflexo, is a reflection. Reflexo, reflexo. This is the sound. Like French. Reflexo. Let's say the syllables. Let's break it down. Reflexo. 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 Now let's link it. Reflexo, reflexo, reflexo is a reflection. É um reflexo da forma da forma that que elas veem você. They see you. Elas veem você. A forma que as pessoas tratam você é um reflexo da forma que elas veem você. Elas veem você. They see you. Da forma que elas veem você. Da forma que elas veem você. Of the way that they see you. It's your turn now. Read this paragraph, please. I'm waiting for you. It's my turn now. I'm reading for you. A forma que as pessoas tratam você é um reflexo da forma que elas veem você. Once again, a forma que as pessoas tratam você é um reflexo da forma que elas veem você. Let's go on. A forma que você deixa as pessoas tratarem você. A forma, you already know it, right? The way, a forma. Que we don't have it in English, remember? You can visualize it, you can think, oh, it's a how or that. A forma que, the way how or the way that, alright? A forma que você deixa as pessoas. You let people. Você deixa as pessoas. You let. Let's say você deixa. You let. Você deixa. Você deixa. Deixa. Link the sounds now. Deixa. Deixa. Você deixa. You let. Você deixa as pessoas tratarem você. You let as pessoas tratarem você. People treat you. As pessoas, people, tratarem você. Treat you. Treat you. Tratarem você. Treat you. É um reflexo. You already know how to say it. É um reflexo. Is a reflection. É um reflexo. É um. You can link the sound here. É um. É um. Practice two sounds. É um. É um. Now link the sound. É um. É um. É um. É um reflexo. É um reflexo. Is a reflection. Is a reflection. De como. Of how. Of how. De como. See the syllables? Como, como, de como, de como, de como, de como. Of how. You see yourself. Você vê a si mesmo. You see. Você vê, you see. A si mesmo, yourself. Yourself. A si mesmo. A si mesmo. Yourself. Yourself. You see, você vê. Você vê a si mesmo, yourself. Let's link it now. Você vê a si mesmo. I'm linking here. Take a look. Vê a. Você vê a si. And then I'm linking it here. Vê a si mesmo. It's one sound, one rhythm, one intonation. Vê a si mesmo. Você, okay, you stop. Você. And then you say one sound. Vê a si mesmo. Vê a si mesmo. Okay, now let's just read in Portuguese, no English, right? I recommend you to pause this video now, stop this video, record an audio on your phone, reading it out loud, and then you're going to check your results because you can compare your reading with my reading, alright? Pause the video. Ok, now it's my turn, I'm going. A forma que as pessoas tratam você é um reflexo da forma que elas veem você. A forma que você deixa as pessoas tratarem você é um reflexo de como você vê a si mesmo. Now I'm going to read it a little faster. A forma que as pessoas tratam você é um reflexo da forma que elas veem você. A forma que você deixa as pessoas tratarem você é um reflexo de como você vê a si mesmo. Alright guys, this is Wesley, your bilingual buddy. Please subscribe, drop a comment down below to support my work here in YouTube, alright? See you in the next episode.